Hello, we learned how to create inside class and how to add a constructor. Now it's time to take a look at different objective. I will be adding two practically same name classes, but only one with main method to execute the actual code. Lecture 18a public and lecture 18b practically same but without main method. In Lecture 18a public, I will introduce a concept of Java access modifiers. Java modifiers are divided into two groups. Access modifiers to control the access level, and non-access modifiers to provide different functionality. Now, today's scenario will be review bank client data using object-oriented programming approach and two objectives. Learn actually public access. Learn object-oriented programming, public attributes access modifier, and second objective. Objective 2 will be introduce this keyword. Now, in first class, here we are going to execute the code, which we're going to receive from second class. Second class, create only two variables for now. String name and string account type. Let's go here and create new access approach. L14b public class data type. When client will be the variable name as new. And now we're going to access it. And there is nothing to access. So right now I'll return to the main objective and I will initialize it. I'm initializing public class variables. I'm returning and I'd like to put it on display. Ban client I'm reaching client name right here. And copy paste. Type variable ban client period count type. Now let's save it. It's gonna ask us to save both. It's gonna ask to save both files and click OK. The output is exactly as expected. Now, let's return here and let's do not initialize it. The public class, which is a template, attributes are not initialized. But let's create constructor. Constructor access would be public, same as class name. And here, string, one attribute. I'm gonna rename it CName, bname. Bname, and here a string. No, CName. This is a parameter. And here will be another parameter, a type. In constructor, I'm going to initialize and provide. So client name equals receives value from when we're gonna call this constructor, value from here, and this class account type will be receiving value from a type. Now let's call here. Here we save it. CName, sorry. CName constructor, this class constructor is having two parameters, exactly whatever is required for class attribute fields. Now I'll clean it. See what's gonna happen in this class now. We have an error because we need to initialize now. I'm sending the values. So I'm initializing. Right now I'm initializing this class constructor. And this class attributes are receiving values from constructor. Let's see it again. Rerun. Exactly as expected. Now, if you noticed, there is no access type here, because right now the access type is default. However, if you want to enhance it, if class attributes access is not defined, so it's always public. Here too, public. Public means open. If it's public, it means you have access from another file. Once again, let's review it. I just added to public. Let's rerun it again. I'm calling constructor to initialize it. Good as expected. Now, return back to template class. And let's use this keyword. If you can see step down, if you type this keyword, you have access to our client name account type here. This client name and this account type. This means related to this class. Very useful when we're gonna learn about getters and setters. Right now, I'll save it. I introduced this keyword to you, and I'm going to rerun it again. Once again, we are initializing a constructor and we're calling bank client variable client name. In the original file, it's calling a constructor, it's providing CNAME receives Maria Gonzalez and account type receives checking value. Then CNAME and in A type. Then this value is assigned back to this class attributes, which is client name and account type. Rerun. Exactly as expected. See you in the next lecture, where we're gonna take a look not at public, but at private access modifier.